You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This distinctive Range Rover delivers legendary off-road capability and stunning luxury. Elegant, powerful, richly appointed, and exquisitely modern in every way, it takes you to the pinnacle in royal style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, premium sound system, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, fog lamps, wood grain interior trim. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.